Welcome back to the MS Word video series. In the last class, we discussed about the home tab. We have discussed all the basic options of the home tab. Now we are going to move. Now we are moving forward to the insert tab. In the insert tab, you have first option cover page. If you want any design of cover page, you can get cover page designs here. A lot of designs. For example, I'm going to use this one. You have to simply write the document title here, and you can use it. For example, I'm going to use this is my PC. As you can see, subtitle written by or whatever you want, you can do that written by Sabi or anything. Control Z, and we are going to back. After that, we have the option which we have another option which is called blank page. If you want a blank, if you need any blank page, you can also do that. We have another option which is called table, and this option is very useful for you guys. This option is very important for us, so focus on it. So far you have to do simply insert, you have to click on the insert table. After clicking on the insert table, you have to define that how many columns you want. I want the 3 columns, and how many rows you want. For example, I want 10 rows, and then click on the OK. It inserted 3 columns and 10 rows. Now what you have to do, if you want to increase the table size, you have to simply drag it here like this one. If you want to increase the row width, if you want to increase the column width, you have to simply drag the column like this and like this. Here I'm going to put this one like serial number, and I'm going to write here name, and I'm going to write here father name. I'm going to write here like marks. So these are the table, and now you have to write whatever you want right here. You can write the serial number here like 1 2 3 4. As you can see, if you focus when we insert the table, two new tabs opens, layout tab and table design. These both tabs are related with table option. We will also discuss about them. So now simply let's focus on it. If you want to increase the row height, you can also do that like this one. If you want to increase the column width, you can also do that with this way. If you want to increase another row, you have to drag the mouse here and now click on the plus icon, and plus, it will increase the row. If you want to increase the column, simply you have to drag the cursor here. As you can see the plus icon, you have to click on the plus. The column will be automatically inserted. With this way you can insert the column and row. So this is the simple way, and how you can insert a table, and how you can increase the column or increase the row. So I hope you understand that how you can insert a table. So see you in the next video.